Hello, family. I'm going to be making supper. I'm making baked chicken with cream of bacon soup in it and some cheese. And I had some potatoes that I had boiled, so I'm going to make parsley buttered potatoes. So come join me. Okay, so you know me. I soak my chicken overnight in milk. And what I did was, I don't know if you can see this. I put the oven's on 400 and I put butter in both of my pans on the bottom. So I'm going to rinse this milk off. And I am going to lay them in the pan. Just wanted a little butter on the bottom for flavor. And okay, so can you see that? Okay. Now I'm going to take my 2 cans of cream of bacon. And I'm just going to dump it over the top of this. I think I'm going to put 2 cans in there. Just going to try it. I ordered a whole case of this cream of bacon from Amazon because it's hard to find. I don't know. I only checked Walmart though. I guess I can't say it's hard to find. Some stores might have it. Okay. That'll soak down into the chicken. Okay, now I'm going to put cheese over the top. That I had in the freezer. This is just cheddar cheese. You can, whatever cheese you like. And I'm going to put the lid on that. I think I'm going to add some pepper and some salt. And I think I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder. Just a little bit. Okay, that one is ready to go in the oven. Now we're going to take this one. Now I'm going to add more butter to this because I love parsley buttered potatoes. It was my daughter's favorite too. I'm going to add some more butter on top here. There. Some salt. some pepper, and some garlic. And now I'm going to add some parsley flakes. Okay, and then that will go in the oven. So I'm going to let that cook for, I'm not sure how long. I'm going to set the timer for like 45 minutes, an hour maybe. So we will be back. First bite. Got your potatoes, parsley buttered potatoes. Yummy smothered chicken with cream of bacon soup and green beans. Here you go. Let's try it. That really gives it, that cream of bacon soup really gives it a good flavor. And these potatoes baked in the oven made them almost like fried potatoes. Yum. There's some beans. Mm. 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 Come over and join me for supper or for dinner or lunch, whatever. Yummy. Thanks for joining me today. And we'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.